In this video, I'll show you how to change the sale label text in your Shopify store. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then go to Online Store and click on Themes. Find your current theme, for example, Debut. Click on the three dots next to it and select Edit Default Theme Content or Edit Languages, depending on your version. Once the page loads, navigate to the Products tab. Here, look for the On Sale label. If you can't find it easily, use the search bar and type Sale, and this will help you quickly locate both the On Sale and Sale label fields. Now, simply replace the default text with your preferred label, for example, Boxing Day Sale. After making the change, click Save. Now go to your storefront and refresh the page. You'll see that the updated sale label appears on both collection pages and product pages for all items that are currently on sale. That's it! A quick and easy way to customize your store's promotional messaging.